Embark on a brand new driving journey with MC402, where every significant moment is meticulously recorded, ensuring your voyage is safeguarded every step of the way. This device features an integrated ADAUS dashcam, an expandable DMS camera, a rear-view camera, and a side-view camera, capturing a broader view of the road and providing you with peace of mind during daily drives. Additionally, it boasts remote audio-visual monitoring capabilities, offering 1080p high-definition resolution video and microphone functionality, allowing you to remotely monitor your vehicle with clear, real-time footage, anytime, anywhere. High-speed 4G networks can upload photos, videos, and GPS locations of accidents to the cloud for later evidence review purposes. MC402 seamlessly integrates safety and intelligence, ensuring your journey is safeguarded every step of the way.